What is up, guys? Luke from Luke Learns, and if you watched that little time lapse, you saw how I just weatherproofed or weather sealed my camera. So on the way to work, which would have been the last vlog of mine, I had walked to work as per usual, and then this happened. Winter weather advisory. I basically just put a Ziploc bag with rubber band. So chances are the lens is definitely gonna get wet here when I get outside. But I'm gonna walk home as what I gotta do. So I'm gonna walk home. We're gonna test the low light function on the Lumix Gx85. If you wanna come with me, that's cool. Thanks for watching, by the way. I'm not exactly excited about this, so I'm avoiding going out there, but it's gotta happen. It's gotta happen, Maddie. What? Yeah. Manager. Walking home, low light test. So what I'm doing is I just put myself in focus for the vlog, and then I'm gonna I have the ISO set at 1600. It's higher than you'd you normally would want to set it at like maybe like 200 if you can. I'm setting it at 1600 just because I know that 200 it'll never show me at all. So like hopefully I'm a little blown out. I don't know. It'll just kind of give you an estimate. But I have a feeling I'm about to get super dark, and that's why I'm doing most of my talking now. Also, probably gonna get some wind noise because it's blowy out. All right, so yeah, it's snowing. Oh, I forgot to mention, I got a hole in my shoe. It's just one of those little baby holes that it's one of those baby holes that like over time the water seeps in. So I'm looking forward to that. But I'm gonna flip the camera real quick and try to do some like more steady shots for you. Downtown Racine in a snowstorm, me vlogging, flipping the camera now. Oh, okay. Ooh. So this is at ISO at 1600. I'm gonna take a glove off. Sorry if that muffled the mic. Taking the glove off, trying to get steadier. A little more steadier. Okay, so focus is gonna be off, guys, because I'm in a baggie, so. Oh, somebody just yelled at me to go home and said some rude things. Oops, we might have to cut some of this out because, there we go. All right, so now I'm at 800. That's actually pretty clean. Look at the snow. Ew. All right, 800. I'm gonna leave it there. Hopefully I'm in focus. I truly apologize if I'm not, but the problem with the Lumix Gx85, particularly for vlogging, is that there's no flippy screen. And I mentioned that before, but for some reason I just kind of like vlogging with this camera more than my G7 because it's so much more stable and it's smaller. Like it just feels more vloggy-ish. But yeah, so we're outside. ISO is now set to 800 instead of 1600. I know for a fact that I've got some water droplets on this. Oh, my foot's getting wet. I know for a fact there's water on the lens now. I actually have, the lens isn't just straight lens. I have a little UV filter on it, which should help. I'm gonna stop there just because I don't know how trustworthy this baggie is on top of the camera with the rubber band. So I'm gonna focus on my walk home. So hopefully I make it home in this super rough Wisconsin winter. It's so terrible. People freak out here for snow, and it's just like, slow down, take your time. You know, you don't have to be like, it's all about layers here in Wisconsin. if you're layered properly, you can have fairly, it's okay in the winter. It's not terrible. I mean, it's a snowstorm, but you know, just water. But anyway, Luke Learns, channel where I learn stuff. It's kind of what I do. Learning about the low light on the Lumix Gx85. Walking in a snowstorm with a left wet foot. I want to add this to every video, and it's going to start coming to earlier in the vids. It's been requested that I do a Bruno segment. So Luke out, Luke deuces. Here's Bruno. Bum.